Here are 4 things to be aware of if you're new to barefoot training. If you're new to barefoot training, and especially strength and conditioning, avoid doing 100% of your workouts in bare feet. It is quite common for those who begin barefoot training to experience foot soreness, some skin irritation, when doing too much barefoot work too fast. Second, use a consistent training surface when barefoot training. The type of surface that you train on is going to dictate the vibration and therefore the impact forces that the body receives during training. When the body gets used to a training surface, it uses a mechanism called pre-activation. Essentially, this is the brain's way to self-organize and create stiffness when the foot comes into contact with the ground. And if the training surface is changed too often, we may be creating too much or too little stiffness, which may lead to soft tissue irritation or injury. Next, the majority of barefoot plyometric training should focus on lower impact, extensive plyometrics. Some intensive plyometrics can be utilized, but they should be avoided when close to competition. Lastly, the overwhelming majority of change of direction and agility training should be in a shoe that is used during competition. Practically, this is so athletes avoid slippage. However, it's also important to train within the shoe that we're going to compete in. The big takeaway is that our body is certainly not fragile. However, when we're dealing with high-performing athletes, we need to be mindful of their training volume. But if you're experiencing ankle, foot, or Achilles issues, be mindful of these 4 categories when barefoot training.